Hey guys, so I am here finally with the Hoover anniversary. This has been requested, and I did ship it back home from New York. I now have it. It has replaced my Hoover Turbo Power 7500, which I do still have, so don't freak out, but it will get sold. And so it will replace that. Although this vacuum may be 15 to 20 years old, how old even is this thing? Hold on. Okay. Serial number Q120. Is that like... What's Q120? Does that mean 2012? Serial number on this is 1721660119. Does that mean 2009? I don't know, I can't date Hoovers. I really can't. Here, let's try to... Oh! Okay. Well, the 7500 front just flew off. That's okay. You just need to access this. Okay, different placement on this one. Serial number is 039900014145. That either means 2003, 2005. That either means 2003 or March 2005. Can't really tell. But either way, this one is a minimum of 15 years old if it's 2005. And 17 years old if it's 2003. I don't have really any idea how old this machine is. The anniversary, but that's fine. I do know that it's probably old, and it is really well taken care of. The self-propel still works on this. It does not on my old model. It looks very good. The reason I got it, and when I got it was just clogged. So actually I haven't done anything to it except unclog it since the last time I've seen it. Which was maybe nearing 2 months ago now. It's all in very good condition. And in the process of shipping it back, there was some damage. Two main things. This seems kind of weird. I don't know if that's normal. I can't remember what it was before. So that's a little weird. The only damage I've seen is here with the handle and the wheel down here. It spins like this now. So that's the only damage I've seen. Also, still wearing fuzzy socks. That's the only damage I've seen. It's not that big of a deal. So yeah, I don't want this vacuum to get much use because it's in really good condition. Was that there before in the original video, that scuff mark? I don't know, I can get it off anyways. So I don't know, because it is in such good condition, I don't really want to use it too much. Well, I'll use it, but not, this is the most dirt it will ever do. Like, this is a lot. And so yeah, also, it has a HEPA bag in it, and it's empty. So... in the world. Yeah, so that was interesting. So, oh, and that rubber bumper is kind of popping out. I'll put that back in. Alright, here we go. I just remembered something about self-propelled vacuums I don't like. When you push forward, they shoot forward. And so that can be nice because it's, well, easy to push and all that. But I just ran over my toe. And it hurt. Why are these, whoa, wait. Hold on, why are these bristles soft? And why did so much hair tangle get out? It was very short thread. Why did that even happen? It's kind of ridiculous. Why are these... Why are the bristles soft? Is that how it is on the brush roll? And my other one has a... It's a green bristle brush roll. That's weird. Alright, so we're going to use the extension one to pick up this. And also, I was wondering why it was like self-propelling so weird. It's because of the wheel. It's messed up, so it doesn't quite self-propel well. And also, I put my mixes in a bucket, but I will show you that a little later. Okay, there's not much over here, but... Alright. That worked pretty good. Just like any vacuum like this with the suction on only one side, doesn't clean that well on the left side, but I mean, what were you expecting? Alright. Let's do this hard floor first, and I'll readjust the camera. There's a lot of fine dust in all of this, by the way. It honestly does much better than I was expecting on hard floors. I honestly didn't expect too much from this, but Hey, it actually does okay. I think we'll just do this. That looks pretty good. Now this carpet, or rug, vacuums get sucked down to real easily, so we'll see how it does here. Okay, I'm surprised. That shocked me. Because I said it's really hard to push, and the transmission was way too strong. It was just pushing me along, so I turned it off, and it was actually able to push quite easily. Although this is one of the, it's those rugs where like you push it forward and it veers off to the side. Yeah, it's one of those. So it's kind of annoying. Yeah. Let's do this tiny one now. Okay. That did really well. Now we still need to just go over this middle rug one more time and do that and that. Maybe vacuum a little over there. That's kind of it. Look at that. Wow. I want to do that again, but I want to get a really good angle of it. Because that really shocked me. Wasn't expecting that. I know this vacuum has a lot of suction and stuff, but wow. So that's really impressive. That might be thumbnail. Even though I already took the thumbnail, that might be the new thumbnail. Maybe I'll combine them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Also, the dusting brush is kind of dirty, but it has all the tools. That's nice. Okay. And the upholstery tool fell off. Okay. Let's just clean this up. Alright, it lifts the pad pretty good. Now, one thing that I really want to try, because I did not get a chance to try it, was the turbo brush. This has got to be brand new. There's no way this has been used. Because it literally looks, it looks brand new. This has never been used, and that's a fact. Okay. I just want to see how fast it would spin and all that. So that works pretty well. Better than the Bissell. Just like any turbo brush, it's not gonna spin super fast and, you know, stay all the way at high power. It's just not, because it can't, because it's suction powered. But that did pretty well. Actually pretty surprised. And, you know, the suction of this vacuum is pretty good. So, I mean, really good. So yeah, that is gonna be it. I'll do the tour of my mixes and my bins in a second, but in another video. But so yeah, that was it. I hope that people that wanted to see this video, I hope that I satisfied you. That took a lot out of me to do all that work. And also, I'm gonna show you all the vacuums real quick. Tell me what you want to see. With Hoover Smartwash, please not the Eureka Bravo, the Apex, the Ultima, maybe the Power Plus if it doesn't involve the bagged vacuums, please no like Big Mess List or anything, because that just, it's a waste of a bag. But Power Plus, the NV352, the Freestyle, the NV22L, the Rotator, maybe the V8, I don't know. Yeah, the V8, the Helix Turbo. I'm gonna actually try to like fix it and all that, but it's like running on its last leg. If you want to see another video with this vacuum, let me know. But I mean, I could do it with the anniversary, but I mean, if you want to see with that one, okay. The G7, the G5, the Heritage 2, Classic 3, the DC50, Rainbow SE, and my Bissell Vanity right there. So let me know what you want to see. Oh, and my robots. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.